Here I've got Nokia 8000 though, and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So first of all, you have to open list of all apps, then find and select the settings, and here under personalization you have to go to sound, then select tones, and now choose ringtone. And here you've got all the options, so let me show you, all starting with Imperial. And that's it. Then just pick the ringtone that you would like to apply, and that's it. It has been just changed. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.